Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about matplotlib, how it getting started. Okay, so that yesterday we studied about the features, what is the introduction of the matplotlib, and now we are going to discuss about this. Okay, installation of the matplotlib. So first we have to install the matplotlib. In that case, if you have a Python and pip already installed in your system, then installation of matplotlib is very easy. So if you're having the Python and pip already installed, then you can download it very easily, install it very easily. After installing it, install it using this command. We can use this particular command to install it. So if this command fails, then use a Python distribution that already has a matplotlib installed, like Anaconda, Spider, and etc. Okay. After that, you have to import the matplotlib. Once the matplotlib is installed, import it in your applications by adding the import module statement. Okay. So now after writing this, how can we import it? So now matplotlib is imported and ready to use. So you have to check it, and how to check it? You have to write underscore version underscore attribute. After writing that, you will be able to check if this matplotlib version is installed or not. Okay. For example, I have already provided you example here. That is how you can do it. So that is how you can you can start matplotlib inside your system. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you.